How to enable Emulex VFA multi-channel mode in UEFI setup menu. Part 2. How to create VNIC in IBM Virtual Fabric mode. Press F1 into Setup utility. Select System Settings. Select Network. There are two physical NIC, PNIC on this Virtual Fabric adapter, VFA. Select the first port to display the configuration panel. Select Emulex 10G NIC. Then go to the Emulex NIC selection menu. The multi-channel mode is set to disable by default. Select Controller Configuration to view the current setting. The Controller Configuration menu offers three choices. Select View Configuration. With the multi-channel mode is set to disable, only one NIC will be shown. To change multi-channel configurations, go back to the Emulex NIC selection page. Press Escape to go back. Go back to Emulex NIC selection menu. Select multi-channel mode. The multi-channel mode option offers four choices. The first three items allow you to enable VNIC mode, and disable means only PNIC is available. To see more about multi-channel mode options, go to the following website. Select IBM Virtual Fabric mode. Select Controller Configuration. The Controller Configuration menu offers three choices. In IBM Virtual Fabric mode and IBM UFP mode, bandwidth is set by switch interface and not configured at the adapter. Select View Configuration. With multi-channel mode set to IBM Virtual Fabric mode, four NICs will be shown. Configure LPVID. Configuration of LPVID is optional when IBM Virtual Fabric mode is selected because VNIC functionality does not depend on it. Go back to the Network menu. Select the second port to configure when necessary. Each physical NIC, PNIC port is divided into up to 4 virtual NICs, VNICs. Select Emulex 10G NIC. Select Controller Configuration. Select View Configuration. With multi-channel mode set to IBM Virtual Fabric mode, 4 NICs will be shown. Once the IBM Virtual Fabric mode configuration in UEFI is completed, press Escape to leave the UEFI setup menu. 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 Press Y to save and exit the setup utility. Press Enter to reboot. Press F1 into Setup utility. Check the difference in UEFI after the IBM Virtual Fabric mode is selected. Select System Settings. Select Network. There are 8 network devices at each physical NIC. PNIC port is divided into up to 4 virtual NICs, VNICs, after multi-channel mode is selected. These 2 NICs are the original PNIC ports. Check the configuration of the first and second NIC port. The Network Device menu offers 4 choices. Go back to the Network menu and note that the remaining 6 network devices are VNICs. Select any VNICs. The Network Device menu only offers 3 choices for selection.